Keith, it's a little bit left or perhaps west of where it was previously. Just a little bit, though, if we're just kind of splitting hairs toward looking at the cone of air here. 165-mile-per-hour winds with this storm. They upgraded that to at 4 o'clock this afternoon to that strength. So they're continuing on with that particular strength. Of course, they're measuring this with Hurricane Hunter aircraft. West to northwest winds there at 10 miles per hour. But because they do have a Doppler radar in San Juan, Puerto Rico, it's actually helpful to measure the winds there as well. And you can see that pressure low at 916 millibars. And it continues to move to the west-northwest. You can see that's the case, certainly a very clearly defined eye. That's always an indication of a very small, defined, and well-defined eye of a very small and intense hurricane, and that's what we're seeing with this. Measuring on San Juan Doppler radar, very clearly defined eye, the outer bands moving across the area, and you can see they're already sweeping across the island of Puerto Rico. So the passage of this would be sometime tomorrow, really starting throughout the early day and then moving throughout the day tomorrow. Wednesday at 2 p.m. with 150-mile-per-hour winds. Looks like passing the center of which would pass just west of San Juan, Puerto Rico. Hurricane warnings, Turks and Caicos, southern Bahamas, and then the forecast track is well east of the state of Florida and the cone of air as well. The effects would be largely some seas on the higher seas on the east coast of Florida and potentially some stronger wind gusts there, but overall the effects for Florida at this point look to be minimal with this storm, but clearly Puerto Rico is in the path of the storm.
We'll be watching it closely. Thank you, Steve, and you can count on Steve and Storm Teammate to keep an eye on Hurricane Maria. We will track Maria with Max Defender 8 as it makes its way across the Caribbean.